Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn EVS. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. The subject is Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 4 and the name of the topic is Home Remedies for Simple Illness. Here, simple illness means when we do not feel well, then we say, I am ill, right? Okay, there are two types of illnesses. Number one is illness which cures quickly and also can be called as simple illness. Okay, within 2 days it will cure. Then it is called as simple illness. And the second one is illness which does not cure quickly. That can also be called as disease. Got this? For simple illness, we can try home remedies. Here, remedies means something that can help to cure the illness. Here we can make some plans or methods using some special things like herbs, spices, hot steam, etc. and try to cure the illness at home. Got this, students? This is about home remedies. Okay, shall we proceed? Can you tell students? Observe the pictures given below and answer the following questions. See this picture. Okay. Why is this boy's arm in plaster? This is the first question. Second one, could we have put his arm in plaster at home? Can we do this at home? Okay, observe the second picture. Now answer this. Why has this girl been brought to a doctor? Okay, think and tell me. When we are well, we feel hungry at the right time, we sleep well at night, we have no complaints about digestion, isn't it? And most importantly, we feel refreshed on getting up in the morning. You can see here, this boy is very active, he is fresh, isn't it? He is doing his work, he is writing, he is going to the school, he is having food properly. Means we do not feel tired even if we have been at work, isn't it? But sometimes for some reason we fall ill. Here you can see Sakhu, a girl, had a slightly sore throat. Still, she had some ice cream. The next day, her throat hurt and she found it difficult to swallow. Mother made her gargle with warm water, putting salt in it before and after school for 2 days. Mother asked Sakhu to gargle with warm salty water. Got this? Twice a day. On the third day, Sakhu's throat had stopped hurting. This was a simple illness, isn't it? Sore throat was a simple illness and she soon felt better again. Means here, Sakhu's mother used home remedy to cure from the sore throat. Isn't it? After a week, Saku's Tai fell ill. She was running a temperature. Her eyes had become yellow. She did not feel like eating anything. So, mother took her to the doctor. The doctor said that Tai had jaundice. This is a disease. This is not a simple illness, isn't it? So, her mother took Saku's Tai to the doctor. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. She also told her to avoid food which contain oil, ghee or butter, because this was not an illness that could be cured easily. Got this, students? This is means we can say this is not an illness that could be cured easily. It takes time to cure. We are talking about jaundice here. Okay? It affects our liver. So we have to avoid fried foods. Got this, students? So we have to listen to the advice given by the doctor. Okay? And we have to follow the doctor. Right or wrong? Students, here I am going to explain you a situation. What had happened in the field. Okay? And how the people acted on that. Okay? You have to tell me, was that action was a right one or wrong one. You have to think on that and you have to give me the answer. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. Shripati, a man, and his younger sister Tara were working in the field along with other workers. A snake bit Shripati. We can see so many snakes in the field, isn't it? A snake bit Shripati. After biting Shripati, the snake wriggled away. Neither of them got a proper look at the snake. But knowing that it was a snake that had bitten him, Shripati was very frightened. He shouted loudly for help. Help, 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 like this. Okay? People came running to him. Tara, his younger sister, was saying that Shripati should be taken to the Taluka place at once, to the Prathamika Arogya Kendra or primary health center. The government hospital there would have the anti-snake bite injection to give Shripati, but no one paid any attention to her. The people, they ignored Tara's saying and they quickly got the bullock cart ready and putting Shripati in it, took him to the village temple. Then they called the village mantrik. See this? Okay, what they did? They took him to the temple and they called the village mantrik. The village mantrik laid Shripati on a bed of neem leaves and began to chant mantras against the action of the snake's poison. These are called neem leaves. Can you see here? Neem leaves. He laid Shripati on the bed of neem leaves and he started to chant mantras. Okay. This is the action of mantrik, and people, they are eagerly observing the Shripati. Students, what do you think? Do the mantras act against the snake's poison? By chanting mantras, the poison goes out from the body of the Shripati? Yes? Was it right or wrong to bring Shripati to the village mantrik? Yes? Come on, think on this. Students, if you were there among the people, would you have taken Shripati to the mantrik or to the government hospital? Yes. Soon, Shripati felt better. See the luck of mantrik. He chanted mantras. After some while, Shripati felt better. But was that because the mantras acted against the snake poison? What do you think? Is that so? Or was the snake non-poisonous and the mantrik got the credit even when he did not deserve it? Yes, the second. This is the right one, isn't it? The snake was non-poisonous. Correct? It wiggled away after biting Shripati. No one observed the snake, isn't it? And the credit goes to Mantrik because he chanted the mantras and he took out all the snake poison from the body of the Shripati. Right? What do you think? Is this right or wrong? Yes, you are right, children. Going to mantrik and treating with the mantrik is wrong, isn't it? We have to go to hospitals, isn't it? Good. Now, students, we will learn something about home remedies. Okay. If an illness is one that gets cured readily, one can try a home remedy. Means one can try it at home also. Okay. Do you remember, children? Saku's mother made her gargle her throat with warm water and Saku felt better in a day or two. In the starting, we learnt about that, isn't it? Correct? Elderly experienced people in the family sometimes suggest cures. Right? Our granny or our mother, aunt, uncle. Correct? The experienced people, they sometimes suggest some cures for simple illnesses, isn't it? We will go through some of the home remedies for simple illnesses. Okay. If we have a cold, we can inhale steam at bedtime. You can see in the picture. You have to cover yourself and you have to take a hot steam. It will help to cure your cold. Okay, this is a home remedy on cold. Next, if we have a cold, we can take hot fomentations on the chest. See the picture. This also will work on cold. hot water is there in that bag. Next, if someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, then what we have to do? See, this boy is vomiting because of fever or indigestion. Whatever may be the reason, we have to give him a cool lemon sharbat. It is made by mixing lemon juice, salt, sugar and water. Isn't it? It should be cool. You have to serve this to that boy. Okay. And you must insist him not to have normal meal plate like bhakris, rice, vegetables, all that, spices and all that, not to have this for that day, and he must opt for a light dahi bhat. Got this, students? This will help his digestive system and he may cure from the vomiting. He will get relief. This is also a home remedy, serving a lemon juice and taking a light food for a day or two. Okay? Next, if someone has a cut, a bruise or a small wound, here bruise means a skin injury. Okay? Means here we can see here this girl is crying because of a small cut on the skin, on the knee, isn't it? Blood is flowing here. Now what to do at that time? Then the wound or the cut, it should be washed with a clean water and dabbed dry. It should make dry. A tincture of iodine may be applied to it. This is tincture of iodine. Okay. Then the wound should be covered with clean cotton and bandaged. This you have to do. This is also a home remedy so that the wound will heal and she will feel better. Got this, students? Now, if someone has a stomach ache because of too much eating or because of gas, okay, what to do here? Home remedies for a stomach ache are, see this again, we can give lemon juice, okay, we can use mint leaves, cumin seeds, carom seeds, we can take honey or aloe vera juice. By consuming any of these, we can get relief from the stomach ache. Okay, we can get relief from the gas problem. Got this, students? Like this, for simple illnesses, we can make home remedies. Okay. See these herbs. Here we can see basil, coriander, mint, then sage, so many. Many herbs have qualities of curing simple illnesses like cold, cough, sore throat, here also, and body pain, etc. Okay, we have to use them and we have to use medicinal value of these herbs. Got this, students? And you can see spices here. These also have medicinal values. So consumption of these spices help us to live free from simple illness, and also they give us the immunity to fight the diseases. Got this, students? Like this you can see here: cardamom, cloves, then pepper, different type of peppers you can see, bay leaves, then mustard seeds. They give heat to our body. Got this, students? They help us to cure a simple illnesses. Okay. Now see that ginger, isn't it? And your mother use most of these spices daily, like turmeric, haldi powder, mirchi powder, isn't it? Pepper. She uses this in your food to make you healthy and fit. Okay. Here one more thing we have to remember, that even if an illness appears to be minor, a small illness, simple illness, it should not means it should never be neglected. We have to take care of it. We have to make home remedies, correct? We have to see that. And you know that home remedies have limit. We cannot give home remedy to all type of diseases. Home remedies have limits, right? If a person does not recover in a day or two, we got a simple illness and we made home remedy. If we cure, then it is well and good. If it does not recover in a day or two, or if the illness worsens, it becomes more, okay, then one must go to a doctor. One must consult their doctor. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take any medicine that must be swallowed. You can see here tablets, correct, medicines that give the result after swallowing them. Yes, dear students, one should not take like these swallowing medicines before doctor's advice. Okay? That may bring a side effect. So, students, in our society, so many people, they provide health services. Government also provides health services, isn't it? We will study about this. A service that takes care of the health of the people and provides treatment for those who are ill is called a health service or medical service. What this means, we can say them are doctors, isn't it? They give us the service then and they help us to cure from the diseases. Big towns and cities have doctors' clinic and hospitals. You can see here, this is the doctor's clinic. This is smaller one compared to the hospitals. Hospitals are bigger in size and capacity compared to clinics. Okay. But in most cities and in rural areas, there are government hospitals and primary health centers. Mostly it is in rural area. We can see Prathamika Swasthya Kendra or primary health center. They provide health facilities to the village people. Got the students? That Tara said now, we have to go to Taluka place to get the anti-snake bite injection to Shripati. but no one listened to her. Isn't it? She mentioned about this primary health center. Students, government hospitals we can see in taluka place or in city place. Okay, here we can see this is a government hospital. See, so much big with so many beds and good facilities. Here the government gives the medicines and all that in less price. And we can say in concessional rates, the people get the treatment also and the medicines also in government hospitals. The Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai run hospitals that provide medical treatment. Got this, students? Here BMC, or we can say Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. It runs so many hospitals throughout Mumbai division to provide medical treatment in concessional rate to the patients. We will go through some of them. This is Lokmanya Tilak Mahanagarpalika Sarvasadharana Ruganalaya. That is Lokmanya Tilak Municipal General Hospital at Sion. This is KEM Hospital at Parel. This is Baba Hospital run by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. This is a Rajawadi Hospital at Ghatkopar. This is Cooper Hospital. Here all we get a concessional rate for the patients. We get good treatment also. Got this? Now dear students, always remember mantras, incantations, magic spells and charms do not cure any diseases or illness. I think you understood each and everything of the lesson, isn't it? Again I will read this. Mantras, chanting mantras, incantations, magic spells and charms do not cure any diseases or illness. If the disease is simple, then we can make home remedies. If we get well, then it's okay. Otherwise, we have to contact our doctor and we have to follow the doctor's advice. Got this, students? Here, we will go for some exercise. Okay. Given below are the names of some diseases and illnesses. This is from your textbook. Okay, here what we have to do here? Determine which of these get cured quickly and which ones do not, and complete the following table. Here 8 diseases are given. Names of the 8 diseases are given. We have to classify them as get cured quickly and do not get cured quickly. Your table is given. We have to write in that table. Okay, we will go through. First one is cold. Yes, you know that cold is a disease which get cured quickly. We can make home remedy too. for this, isn't it? Second one, chikungunya. Chikungunya is a disease which do not get cured quickly. For the students, it takes much time to get cured. Next, malaria. It also do not get cured quickly. It too takes a month. Bruising. Bruising is a skin injury. You know that it gets cured quickly. Next is stomach upset. Yes, we know the remedy for this also, isn't it? Because of gas or indigestion, stomach may get upset. So this is also a simple illness, means get cured quickly. Typhoid. Yes, it is a fever disease. It takes time to cure. Okay. Next is scorched fingers. What is that? Scorched fingers. This also can get cured quickly. Next, last is sprained ankle. This also we can put as painkiller and all that, and we can cure quickly. So this comes under get cured quickly. Got this, students? This is all about the lesson, that is home remedies, okay, for simple illnesses. I hope you understood the lesson, isn't it? See here, this granny is telling that stay healthy and safe, because she tells so many home remedies for simple illnesses.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.